Hello guys, welcome back. Today's video will show you how to change height and weight on Apple Watch. Are you looking to change your height and weight on your Apple Watch? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so what you need to do is go to your iPhone and open the Health app. On the Health app home screen, tap on the Browse option on the bottom right. The next screen will show you health categories. Tap on the Body Measurements option. Here you will see your body measurements and will be able to edit your height and weight. Just tap on weight or height and tap on add data to change it. It's that simple. So once you've done the changes, it's going to reflect on your Apple Watch if it's synced. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.